Hello learners, today we will learn some theorems on probability. Addition theorem on probability. If A and B are two events, then the probability of happening of two at least one of the event is defined as when events are not mutually exclusive. If A and B are two events which are not mutually exclusive, then addition theorem on probability. When events are mutually exclusive, then if A and B are mutually exclusive event, then we can use this formula. Now, when events are independent, if A and B are independent event, then we can use this formula. There is one question for you. Consider a pack of 52 playing cards. A card is selected at random. What is the probability that the card is either a diamond or a 10? The answer is 16 by 52. What is the multiplication rule for probability? According to the multiplication rule of probability, the probability of occurrence of both the events A and B is equal to the product of the probability of B occurring and the conditional probability that event A occurring given that event B occurs. If A and B are dependent events, then the probability of both events occurring simultaneously is given by the first equation. If A and B are two independent events in an experiment, then the probability of both events occurring simultaneously is given by the second equation. Now, I have a question for you. Find the probability of drawing a diamond card in each of the two consecutive draws from a well-shuffled pack of cards if the card is drawn not replaced after the first draw. The answer is 1 by 17. Bayes theorem. Bayes' theorem provides a principal way for calculating a conditional probability. It is a descriptive simple calculation, although it can be used to easily calculate the conditional probability of events, where intuition often fails. Bayes' theorem provides a way to revise existing predictions or theories, given new or additional evidence. In finance, Bayes' theorem can be used to rate the risk of lending money to potential buyers. Let A and B be events with non-zero probability, then For example, given two bags, each one having red and white balls, both bags have equal chances of being chosen. If a ball is picked at random and found to be red, what is the probability that the ball was chosen from bag A? The total probability of red ball is 8 by 20, and the probability of red ball was from bag A is 3 by 8. So, we have covered addition and multiplication law of probability in this lecture. See you in next lecture. Thank you.